CrowdStrike Falcon Exposure Management Custom Sensor Scanning. Adversaries exploit vulnerabilities before they even have a name. China Nexus actors now strike within 24 hours of POC disclosure, while Frontier AI accelerates discovery. Security teams need to rapidly validate unique risks, like 0 days, supply chain issues, and proprietary software without waiting for public CVEs. Custom vulnerability detection gives them that flexibility. With custom vulnerability detection through manual sensor scan, Falcon Exposure Management gives customers the ability to create targeted vulnerability checks using their own research and knowledge of the environment. In this example, a custom rule for an emerging supply chain risk affecting an open source package used by a development team. Because this condition doesn't have a public CVE, we can create our own vulnerability identifier, assign its severity, and define exactly what Falcon should evaluate. CrowdStrike's rule definition searches selected systems for the affected package, validates the installed version and supporting metadata, and returns a finding when the vulnerable condition is present. Customers can define their own detection logic, evidence, severity, and remediation guidance. Built-in helper functions also make it easier to build custom rules by simplifying common tasks like finding files, reading version information, inspecting jar manifests and configuration values, and comparing installed versions against an affected range. Once that condition is identified, the finding becomes part of Falcon Exposure Management. Instead of ending as script output, it appears alongside other vulnerability findings where teams can investigate, report, prioritize, and drive remediation using their existing exposure management workflows. Visit our website to learn more about Falcon Exposure Management.